Good morning in Thailand. First day here. Mama's in the bathroom. Here's your number. There's mountains in the background. This is my view from my hotel room. Call me maybe. Say hi, Mama. Hey. Good morning, Tyler. Mama, let's see all this. Here's the bathroom. Got a neat little bathroom in here. In my way. Okay. Good morning, Tyler. Maybe. All right, let me see. Oh, and here's my little elephant. You see what they put together for us? Call me maybe.